Welcome to our kitchen tale. Ngayon, magluluto po tayo ng Fish Shanghai Rolls. Ito po yung ating mga ingredients. 1 whole fish. Pinakuluan natin yung isda for about 15 minutes. After na pakuluan, atin siya ngayong hima-himayin. Ito na yung ating hinimay na isda. 1 pack of spring roll pastry or pabalat. 1 medium size of carrots, shredded. 1 medium size onion, shredded. 2 medium size of eggs. Then let's combine the following ingredients. Let's add 2 spoonfuls of Kikkoman soy sauce. Then 3 spoonfuls of oyster sauce. We need ground pepper, so a teaspoon of ground pepper. Then a teaspoon of salt. Now let's mix the ingredients. After mixing, let's add a cup of flour and then mix again. Ngayon, ready nang ibalot sa ating pabalat ang ating mixture. Okay, sa pagbalot ng ating mixture, 1 spoonful at a time or depende sa gusto nyong dami. syempre, we need water to seal it. Ngayon, eto na po yung ating binalot na Fish Shanghai Rolls. Now, let's preheat the frying pan for about 5 to 10 minutes. Ngayon, ready na yung ating frying pan. Then, let's fry them for about 10 to 15 minutes or hanggang maging golden brown. Ito na po yung ating finished product, our Fish Shanghai Rolls. Thank you for watching. God bless!